Do you need to come up with original content ideas that will dominate search results? Introducing ContextMinds. ContextMinds is a free tool which helps you to brainstorm, research, and plan content projects in one place. You can create content outlines, briefs, or even a whole strategy with its powerful AI database, ensuring you never run out of ideas and always find the right keywords for your content. So, how do you use it? It's super simple to use ContextMinds, so let's go through the basics. The app consists of 3 simple sections. You've got the whiteboard, related concepts, and concept details. Starting with the whiteboard, simply double-click or press the Add button to start searching for your initial topic. Clicking on Scopes allows you to narrow down your search scopes. You can filter by topics, keywords, trending questions, or concepts shared by the ContextMinds community. And if you're logged in, you can even limit the search to your own personal, previously created ideas. Let's imagine we're creating content about search engine optimization and add that to the whiteboard. If we click on it, we can see the concept details appear on the right. Here, you can see key details like search volume, suggested content on the topic, as well as the option to create notes, which are super handy if you find a piece of text you like. Now we can look at related concepts. If we browse through, we can see the search volume in the Details tab. We can simply choose what suits our project and drag it to the board. As we add more topics, you'll notice the related topics change both overall and individually when you select a topic on the map. As you add more subtopics, the AI generates more accurate ideas. These suggestions are also affected by the selected scopes we mentioned earlier. We can then link our ideas together with arrows or place them together in groups to create a visual plan for our content. The ideas in a group can be ordered in a hierarchy, and the nodes can be indented to represent an outline of your content. Quick tip: you can even export these outlines as text documents by clicking the 3 dots on the node and selecting the download option. By using ContextMinds to research and plan your content, you'll be making sure you tick all the right boxes for SEO metrics and coherent structure, targeting the context your audience is searching for. ContextMinds works in all popular browsers as well as on tablets and phones, so head to ContextMinds.com now, where you can get to work straight away for free. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can head to ContextMinds.com and click on the Help button.